started, okay?
Okay.
All right, tell everyone your name. What's your name? Can you say hel? Hel. How about hi?
Hi.
And of course, in Spanish, say hola.
Hola.
And ¿qué pasa?
¿Qué pasa?
This looks like a fantastic audience. Give them a whistle. And a whistle. Ooh, let's do a holiday song, all right? All right, let's do Jingle. That was beautiful, but oh, Echo, well, it certainly wouldn't be a show unless we sang your favorite song. So we're going to do Over the Rainbow, okay? Okay? Okay, let's do some warm-up. La, 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 la. Echo, where do bluebirds fly? That was beautiful. You were fantastic. Why don't you give everybody one big kiss? Big kiss? Big kiss?